dear children. Very good morning to you all. Please open your EVS textbooks. Today we have to start a new lesson. The name of My Family. Before that, in the 11th lesson, I told about some vehicles, means travel. So, which are three different types of vehicles? Transportations. First one is land transport, air transport and water transport. So, these three transport I explained. So, let's start today new lesson with the name of My Family. Lesson number 12 on page number 108. Open your textbooks. So, family. Family means, yes, you are living in a home with your family members. You are not living a single person, single child at home. Yes or no? You are living with the so many family members in a house, one house. I explained in the last lesson house that in that lesson there are so many different types of rooms. About I told means all rooms should be well ventilated. There should be big door, windows. Next one, so many rooms: kitchen, dining hall, dining room, living room, study room, bedroom and bathroom. All these rooms at one house. So here, my family means what? You are living with your family. Maybe these are small family or large family, joint family, it's apart. But main word is that you are living with your family members. Family means they are helping you to each and every work. Your family is as one of the supportive system. Family is our main supportive system. So understand that we are like others but the different from others. We all family members are same? No, they looks different but they are very helpful, they are very loving, very caring to other family members. So here some pictures, some family members, family picture they are shown on page 108. Observe the following pictures, count the member in each of the and write here. So take one pencil children, you have to write here number of members in the one family. Next one, serial number family 2, family 3 and in the family 4. How many family members they are living here in the first picture? Mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, brother and sisters. Means there are 6 family members. So write the number here 6. Are you written? Okay. Second family, mother, father and only one girl. Means how many family members are here? 3. Write down here 3. In third family, so many members are there. Count neatly. Grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, uncle and aunt. So here 1, 2 children, 3, 4, 5. Total here 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 family members are there. In third picture, count yourself and then write the correct family member here. So turn to the next page, 109. So here mother, father and children means 5 family members they are living here. So here some questions, write the answer neatly. Which family has least number of members? Which family has least number of members? Family number 2. Write the answer family 2 because there are only 3 members in one family. Least means less. Least means very less. Which family has many members? Which family has a many members here? Family number 3. There are 11 members. So family number 3. Write the answer 3. Mention the number of members in your family. Now this all about these 4 families, but here third question is what? You have to count your family members. Each and every student have to count your own family members and write the correct number here. If you are living with your grandparents, count them also. Next, you are living with your auntie, uncles, means if there is joint family, so count all these members. If you are living with a small family, count the member and write down here the correctly number. So observe the following picture, indicate the family that has least number with the right mark. Here two families are there. In the first picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 family members, and in the second picture only 4 family members are there. So which one is least family member? Second. Least means very less family members here. So make it right back with the second picture. Here filling the blanks. Mine is a dash family. Means he is thinking about mine is a dash family. How many members? Small family, large family, joint family. Which family? Let's see. So here I have written what is a small family then? A family with least members is called small family. Means only mother, father and their children. If they are living with the only 4 5 members, then that is called a small family. And what is then large family? A family with many members are called large family. Family with a many members. If they are living with the so many members, then that is a large family here. In the large family, which you are living with your grandparents, yes, your mother, father, your brother, sister, and including them, if you are living with your grandmother and grandfather, that family called a large family. Such type of family called large family. And then what is a joint family here, children? They are not given in our book, but extra work it is. Joint family means if you are living with your mother, father, this is the one. Next, second number, if you are living with your grandparents also means grandfather and grandmother. And again, if you are living with your uncle, aunt, your cousins, with all family will completed. That's called a joint family. Okay, they are shown in picture. Yes, here also one picture they are shown. The all big family, that's called a joint family. And large means you are living with only your grandparents, that's a large family. And small family means you are living with your only brothers or sisters, with your mother and father, that is a small family. Understood? What is a small family and what is a large family? A family with least member is called a small family, and a family with many members is called large family. So turn on next page, 110. There are 6 members in Vimla's family: grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, brothers and Vimla. Brother and Vimla. All these are the 6 members. Means which family is it? It is a large family. Yes. Why? Because Vimla is living with her grandfather and grandmother also. So that is a large family. So here they are given some work. Which work they are doing with her family members? Vimla is first one. Her grandfather is teaching her how to sing. So he is teaching him music. Second one here, her mother is taking studies. Vimla is going with her brother to school. Her father is giving something, means maybe his Vimla's father is giving some food to her. Next one here, Vimla's grandmother, what she is doing here? She is combing her hairs. All the family members, Vimla's 6 family, including Vimla, there are 6 family members. So all of them, remaining 5, grandmother, grandfather, father, mother and brother, the 5 members, they are helping to Vimla to do some work. Okay. There are 6 members. Okay. Observe the picture of Vimla's family. Tell what is happening here. Who helps to you work in your house? At your house also, some your family members, maybe there are your brother, sister, mother, father, grandparents. They all of them are helping to you. Means your grandparents, maybe they are giving some toys, or other at the time they are taking to you to the park also. Next one, they are telling some stories to you at night time. Yes or no? Your mother makes some delicious foods to you. She is taking studies of you. Your father gives new dresses, new whatever you want, they are giving to you. Brother and sister, with them you are playing with them. Okay. So all this work Your all family members, they are doing for you only. So member of a family help to in playing, studying and doing work. All need family members. We can't leave only one in our home. So all of we need a family. All of we need a family. So turn to the next page, 111. Here observe this picture. Here two pictures are there. Two houses seen neatly. Here one house and after that second house is again here. One and two houses are here. So here is one girl, that is a Bimla, and what she is doing here, children? She came from her house and she is going to her neighbor's house. Where she is going? Her neighbor's house. So for what purpose? Here some questions. You have to give the answers of the question. What is Vimla doing here? Yes, children, what Vimla doing here? She is going her neighbor's house. Who is helping her? What doing Vimla? What she is doing here? She is dancing. She is doing Bharatnatyam here. She is doing a Bharatnatyam, and who is teaching her Bharatnatyam? Her neighbor's auntie. They are teaches her Bharatnatyam. Who is helping her? Her neighbor's auntie. Her neighbors are helping her. Do your neighbors help in your work? Yes, at some time, if you doesn't understand the studies or anything, then you are going to your neighbors for asking such type of things, children. Yes, you are going there. Do you help to your neighbors? They are helping to you, but you are doing help. You are doing such type of help to your neighbors. Yes or no? Yes. Develop the habits of helping neighbors. Develop the habits of helping neighbors. Okay. Observe the above picture. Color the circles with the color mentioned here. Some is pictures. Observe. Do it yourself. He is a fat man. He is a short. He is a tall man. Her hair is curly and her hair is long. So observe the above picture. Color the circle with the color mentioned. Take one color pencils. Do it afterward. This is your homework, children, on page 112. Okay, this is your homework. What you have to do here? Fat person. Who is fat person? Person number 1. He is a fat person. So do the red color to this circle. Next one, curly haired person. Who is curly hair? That girl. 4th number girl have a curly hair. So make it here black color. Next one, lean person. Lean means he is a very tall but lean. So make it here blue color. Short person. Second picture, make it here green color. And person with a long hair, here orange color. Are you understand, children? Here they are given persons and here colors. Do that color with that circles. Okay, turn to the next page. Make a list of your friends' characters. Now, all person are not same in shape, size, colors, hairs, all they have a different themselves. So here friend's name. This is also an activity, children. Try to do that. If you have friends, yes, then write here one name of your friend. Then color. If he is very bright, some dull color, black color, whatever the colors, you have to write here color. Height, tall or short. If he is tall, if he is short or she, write down here. Fat or lean. If he is very fat, if he is very lean, write down here. Next, hair, straight or curly. You have to observe her or his hairs. Maybe they are curly, straight. You have to write here. Hair, long or short. If the short hair or long hair, make it. Long hair for girls only. So do it here. Right. They are given the answers. You have to write but names and color and remaining part. Next, find out the characteristics of you and your friend. Identify the differences. Discuss with your friends. Okay, you have to discuss here. In the picture, Janaki, Farida, Salim, John and Ramesh are playing. How many friends? Janaki, Farida, Salim, John and Ramesh. All of them are 5 members. They are playing a ball, one game in front of the school. They all look different. They all come to school together. Yes, all of them are names different, surnames different, fathers different, their houses are different. Families are also different, but they all are coming to the school. Just all same like you children. All of you are living in a different houses with your family, but all of you are coming to the one school in our school. So they all come to school together. They wear school uniform. Yes, all of you are also wearing a school uniform. While you are coming to school, you are wearing a school uniform, shoes, tie, hairband, okay, shoes, socks, all these. So all study together and enjoy. The same way you are also doing study in our school and you are also playing such different types of game. You are enjoying in schools. They are friends. They are also friends like you. They love and help each other. Yes, they all love to each other. They all help. If anyone doesn't have a book or pencil, other friend will give to them. So don't you and your friends look different? Don't you play and study with your friends? Don't you help others and live with love and affection? Yes, children, you have to also, you should have a helping nature. Means if someone fails, you should have to get up. You have to be always a help and love and affection towards your friends. Okay. Here one small poem. Though I am tall and you are a short, and of different colors we sure are friends and study together in a school. Yes, if they are short or tall, colors have changes, but all of them are friends and they are coming to school only. Black and brown are our eyes. How many colors? Black, brown, blue, so many colors maybe. Long and short is our hairs. I told about the hairs also, with short, long, curly, straight, such type of hairs. Nose and ear are different too, but still we are friends. All of them are not facing same, but still they are friends. We may be different for others to see, but we will still love to play together forever and ever to be. Means always, ever and ever to be means always we have to be friends only. Means in that lesson you need your family members and your friends also and your neighbors also. Okay, try to read this lesson and do the homework on page number 112 and 113. Okay, in that way today we have completed our lesson number 12 for my family. Try to read this lesson. In our next class we will continue with the new lesson. Thank you, children.